Have you ever considered that the world beneath our feet, or even on our fingertips, holds entire universes? Today we're going on an expedition into a realm often overlooked, a world where the smallest speck of dust unveils a tapestry of wonders. We're diving deep under the microscope to explore a hidden world and discover what happens when dust becomes a universe. Our journey begins with something incredibly familiar: dust. But what exactly is dust? It's a collection of tiny particles, a mix of dead skin cells, pollen, dirt, and countless other microscopic components. These particles, invisible to the naked eye, might seem insignificant. However, under the lens of a microscope, dust transforms, revealing a complex world teeming with life and intricate structures. As we magnify these minuscule specks, we begin to see a universe of diversity. The landscape is no longer uniform. Instead, it's a dynamic ecosystem. We'll encounter fibers from clothing, each thread a miniature mountain range. We'll see pollen grains, delicate and perfectly formed, each a tiny vessel, carrying the promise of life. And we'll witness the bustling activity of microscopic creatures, tiny life forms navigating their world. This microscopic world is not static. It's a vibrant, ever-changing environment. We'll observe particles colliding, interacting, and sometimes even giving rise to new formations. The dust particles, previously considered passive, are actively participating in a dance of creation and destruction. It's a microcosm of the larger universe, a continuous cycle of change and adaptation. Now let's explore the significance of this hidden world. Understanding the microscopic universe of dust can help us in many ways. It provides insights into the spread of allergens and diseases, helping us devise strategies for cleaner environments. It enhances our knowledge of materials science, allowing us to engineer better products. It inspires innovation, encouraging us to look closer at the world around us. And most importantly, it fosters a sense of wonder, an appreciation for the intricate beauty of life. As our journey concludes, remember that every speck of dust is a universe, waiting to be discovered. The microscope isn't just a tool, it's a portal. It allows us to explore the mysteries of the unseen and to appreciate the intricate beauty hidden in plain sight. So the next time you see dust, take a moment to ponder the hidden universe it contains. You might be surprised by what you find. And that's what happens when dust becomes a universe.